buddies remember me. Like I promised you last time for the last prismatic, I made our products with ETB. So today we are going to open
Shrouded Faber.
Shrouded Faber. So today we are just opening just for fun. So we got a book, and then we got the dice. Counters. Dice.
I think what we really want is the golden earthen vessel, Fenzen. I think most of the SIRs are pretty nice, all very playable. The Fenzen, the Monkey Dory. I think there are some very nice full arts for the. Where did you go? Dusk Cloud, and Dusk Cow itself. A lot of very nice art here. Not the cheapest thing to have here, but let's go.
So
Come.
here are the card holders. A lot of basic energies. A promo card.
What's a promo card? Oh, Petrorant. It's not very authentic. Okay, then go straight to the text, please.
And then sleeves. Then we got 9 packs. That's it. So, first pack. I like it how the design is printed out on the pack. It looks very cool on it. Do you guys like it too? Leave it in the comments below. Go Bat, Exo, Hundo, Drowsy, Sovion, Malama, Jenny's Secret Art, Colossus, Technicity, Factorial, Fenzen PTEX.
Oh, this is a good pull. This is what we need for all our decks, right?
Yes.
This is a good pull.
It's for our Charizard deck. It's to fit the script every first turn.
In terms of pronunciation, this is Chorus Tenacity.
So we got Fencer, which will fit the script, and Pearl Arrow.
First pack magic. First pack one hit. That's good. You take it anytime.
Good. Condor, Seadra, Eevee, Kongang, Curium, Academy at Night, Revo, Jenny's Secret Art, Sneasel, Revaroom EX, 2 white star.
Oh, nice. Second hit. That's cool. I don't think it's buff much. Wait.
And then we got Hollow Energy.
Oh, Hollow Energy. Okay. He's more excited about the Hollow Energy than this one. But still a nice pull.
I like how the energy is so of balls on it. So far we are doing so good. Right, Daddy?
Just 2 packs, 2 hits. This is definitely good.
The last one was actually super bad. Dusk Cow is good for the Charizard deck. Beware, Inkay, Drowsy, Galvantula, Malama, Jenny Sec. So Jenny Sec has a blaster on his tail which can shoot.
You cannot see anything
Stuffle Pokeball.
What Pokeball? Oh, okay, it's the reverse hollow design scarf. Starful, yes.
Slater Wing Hollow,
Okay.
Cresseria Hollow. Basic energy. So next we got Fenzen PT. Same like the pool we put just now. Fenzen PT. The card you can't really see is full for, but here you can see it.
Slither wing. Very nice. I like it.
Here you go. Staffel, Zubat, Duskull, Confront. Night Stretcher is also good for the Charizard deck.
Yes, night stretch is very important.
Reset, Brinda Mochi, Varum Hollow,
Binding Mochi.
Varum Hollow, Pokeball, Revealer Hollow Pokeball, Zoroark Hollow, Basic Energy Fire. Joltik, Horsey, Kufant, Zubat, Hypno,
Hypno.
Crobat, Sorrow 6 Machinations, Persian Pokeball, Kyrian Pokeball. So we got another Fenzen PT EX.
Oh, nice.
And then a Basic Energy.
2 Fenzens. This is good. For card building, it's fantastic. If only we can get a SIR, would be the best.
We only got one Veraroom, which is a full art. We got 2 EXs, just 2 normal. Inkay, Joltik, Drowsy, Horsey, Garvantula, Power Glass, Iron Morph, Chorus Technocity, Pokeball, Marama Pokeball, Cresselia Hollow. We got nothing. So we get SIR from this pack. This is SIR. Eevee, Seadra, Absol, Rexury, Reverie, Cassiopeia, Curium, Dusknoir, School for Charizard deck,
Oh, nice.
Hasaurus, Tapu Bulu Hollow. And you got 2 more packs to open. Furfu, Toxicroak, Eevee, Vroom, Cassiopeia, Velvota, Academy at Night, Pokevita A Spec,
Oh, nice. Vital A. Poke Vital A Apex. Not sure what this is for. Sounds like a pretty useless card actually. Come on.
Yeto, Hollow Pokeball, and we got another one here.
Vita.
Zoroark, Basic Energy. Last pack. So far we didn't get any SIR, so I hope this will get SIR.
Last pack magic is what they say.
exotic. So we got Gargantua and Evolution again.
Okay, cool.
Power Grass, Slitterwing, Jenny's
Slitterwing.
Secret Art, Yeltao, Corporaja, Basic Energy, and Hollow Pokeball.
Okay, that's it.
So thank you. We are gonna open another one next time with my friend Charizard. Okay? So bye. Have a good time.